Hello everyone. The Umkhonto Party has made a U-turn and they have confirmed that all members of the legislatures will be present and be sworn in their respective provincial legislatures tomorrow. They released a media statement that reads as follows. The MK Party confirms its members' participation and sworn in at the provincial legislatures. The MK Party confirms that the members of the provincial legislatures will be sworn in during their respective sittings tomorrow, the 14th June 2024. Our commitment to challenging election rigging and fraud remains firm. The Umkhonto Party is unwavering in its pursuit to ensure that every vote reflects the true will of the people. We continue to reject the hasty declaration of the 29 May 2024 election results, advocating for a fair and just process that respects the democratic rights of all citizens. Enquiries Ntamulo Ndlela. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.